Struggling with database homework or assignments? Deadlines approaching fast? Don't let SQL queries, ER diagrams, or normalization confuse you. You're not alone. Thousands of students face the same challenges every semester. From writing complex SQL queries to designing relational databases, from debugging triggers to handling NoSQL systems like MongoDB, database coursework can feel overwhelming. And when grades are on the line, every detail matters. That's where AssignmentDude.com comes in. Since 2018, we've been the trusted partner for students worldwide, delivering database homework and project help that's clear, original, and deadline safe. Our experts are computer science graduates and industry professionals who specialize in database systems. Every solution is written from scratch, fully documented, plagiarism-free, and tested to ensure it meets your professor's rubric. With a 4.9 out of 5 student rating and proven track record, we focus on results you can trust. Here's how it works. Step 1, share your requirements and deadline. Step 2, get a transparent quote. Step 3, receive your completed assignment on time, well documented, and ready to submit. It's that simple. So if you want stress-free database homework help, AssignmentDude.com is your solution. Don't wait until the last minute. Click below, share your task, and let us help you achieve the grades you deserve.